cooking us some.
'Cause I remember every time. So them boys cracking 3. They go tombstone and Harry. I told you, bro, like this shit, it's a struggle. It's a struggle. But look, we back at Jay's kitchen. I got my son with me for a long time no see, son. Where you been at?
The quarantine. so today we got Tank cooking.
So you gonna take Jay cook? Okay, so it's Tank cooking today.
Tank cooking today.
Shit been quarantined and grew a beard. Okay, so look. So let him. Do you like it? So let him know. So let him know what we finna do.
We finna make a prison burrito.
So you been in prison before, bro?
Nah.
Oh, you just like doing the poking part?
Nah, not yet. I ain't got yet.
Oh yeah.
But
Yeah. What you going to prison for?
life is a risk. Sometimes you probably gotta go.
Okay.
Just go ahead, smash that. You feel me?
Nigga, what? That pressure.
Bussin'. I'm the king of bussin'. You got pressure, I got bussin'.
The first thing you need is your favorite. It's not my favorite, but you need a bag of chips.
It don't matter what type of chips you get, as long as you get some chips to go with it.
Here go my bag. I like how I got the red shirt, you got the blue. Hey, G, that's me. But nah, you can get you a bag of chips, and the first thing you want to do, you want to crush the chips up. So go ahead, crush it. Yeah, it's all good. Feel me? Crush the bag up. See? I'm broke. I'm not using the whole bag.
Oh,
What? What happened?
I almost crushed up my whole bag.
You can. No, I'm.
I ain't using my whole bag either.
Oh, that's between you and God.
I wanna save something for later, so, right?
Right, go ahead, cut your finger, bro. You gotta make the sacrifice.
I ain't doing that.
You in my kitchen, you gotta make sacrifices. Bro, I'm just playing. What you doing?
Hey, you said cut them up.
Yeah, you gotta cut them up. Let me close the pack real quick.
Oh yeah, but it's gonna be that pressure.
Gee, you ugly.
Team busting right here.
Nah, it's team pressure over here. You think?
Team busting right here, man.
Dude, we professional. We use instruments.
I came from jail, so we just use our hands.
You came from jail. So what you serving time for?
I don't even want to talk about it. Done went enough. I done did some stuff that you ain't never seen, you ain't never do before. When you go to jail, you ain't gonna come out the same. I promise you.
Hey, you gonna do this by yourself?
You might do something that you never thought you were gonna do, but you do it, bro. I promise you.
Do you get?
When you go there, there's no females. So what you gotta do, you gotta make your own females.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm not getting down like that. I don't care if I'm facing life.
Oh no, you ain't gotta get down like that. You can be the one standing up.
Oh man. So you down bad.
No, I'm playing. I ain't never gonna jail. I grew up like this. Keep your hands to yourself. So if you hit me, I'm gonna hit you. That's just how I grew up.
They say what? Equal rights, equal fights, right? Okay, but
I ain't saying you female, but
I ain't only beat them. But I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm not gonna sit there and just get my ass beat. Like, I'm gonna have to defend myself. Yeah. That's common sense.
Hey, you ain't finna mess up my face. I can't get messed up and I lose. That ain't gonna look right.
Yeah, that's just. And then they gonna clown me, bro. Alright. You know how to rap, bro?
Yeah, I know how to rap.
Spit song real quick. Okay, I'm gonna drop the beat. You gonna spit song. You ready?
We in the kitchen cooking up some food. I told it was Jay. Boy, what it do?
Hey!
From my crib. I said you already know where I live.
Hey!
Went to the store, got some chill. Now we finna eat them with some deal. Not one of them.
Now you need a pack of noodles. I only get like a little bit of bag, so I'm not gonna use the whole pack. I don't know if you want to use the whole pack of noodles, but you can. So, where the noodles at?
Who gotta use the whole bag?
It don't matter, but not the whole pack.
Oh, I thought the whole pack of noodles.
What I'm gonna eat tomorrow, man? So go ahead, grab one, bro. And this, you gotta crush up too, so you might as well. Nah, I don't wanna make her flutter. Ooh. Boy, what though?
That's a little bit, bro.
Yeah, listen, Nick, cut the camera. Y'all ever been in the struggle so bad, y'all had to eat these as they chips?
I just ate one.
What? I'm talking about, like, bro, I got the mixing. I was a 5-star chef before. I was even on TikTok with noodles, dude. I don't even eat no more.
When y'all go to prison, bro, it's like your Kool-Aid, bro.
Bro, you talking like you did time.
Like
the worst thing you been in was what? In-school suspicion, dude?
You go to in-school suspicion, you still gonna do stuff you don't wanna do.
Feel me? Go ahead, chef.
Go ahead, show y'all something. I ain't no chef now, but
I ain't no chef now, but I know how to get it. Go ahead, mix it up real quick. Hey, G, you gotta cut up more. Don't put a hole in your bag. You gotta put water in it. Slim Jim. Now check me out. You can use any meat you want. You feel me? I heard they get this in prison a lot, so we're gonna use Slim Jims. Easy to pull. And look, it's easy to pull towel.
They're like in prison, like they're like Sprite. They're like, you feel me? It's feel like that.
How that?
Hey,
Sprite?
Hey, we ain't gonna talk about it, bro.
What's understanding gotta be explained. I feel you. So go ahead, bro.
One of those, bro.
We ain't got a shank. I don't know if you got one in your ass or not, but we don't got shanks.
Nah, I left mine in prison.
Okay, so we could use a knife. We're gonna use I don't know if I can trust you with this, but go ahead, go crazy. Please don't cut yourself. Cause you know, we're not sponsored by State Farm.
I ain't trying to cut the bad, bro.
Cut it on the thing. Yeah.
Alright, bro, I'm professional, bro. I used to...
What the? Why you hold a knife like that?
This knife kinda weak.
Bruh, it's not the knife, bro. It's you.
That boy got a weak knife, man.
Why? What the fuck?
That boy knife weak.
Bro, it's not the knife, bro. Okay.
I need a pocket knife, bitch.
Nah, this is a weak knife right here. Let me see if I can use this.
Hey, no, you feel me?
Nah, I got this, bro. I'm a trained professional. Check this out. First, you gotta clean it off. Feel me? And then you. Yeah, I've been doing this since I was a gym.
Alright, let me try to flip around then.
Well, go ahead, flip it.
Alright. Oh no, I ain't trying to end up accident.
Nah, when I used to play the drums, I used to do that. Put it to the bag. What if the whole time it wasn't recording?
I'd be like, damn.
You know what? I want more meat. I'm put one more.
You see, he like meat. I don't.
Hey, just stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Alright. I heard about that boy Tank. Yeah, I already know, bro. You ain't gotta explain it. I seen what was in the car when you pulled up. The golden piece of candy. I seen your that one video too you did. All that candy on your wall.
That old boy cop.
Oh, you right.
Old boy cop, man. That's the OurWay
the OurWay mobiles, man.
OurWay mobiles.
Remember the one with the fan in it?
I got the built-in fan. That AC hit.
I gotta do it.
That AC hitting, man. Oh man, hey, put it on high, bro.
Put on high,
my tape is already on high.
Yeah, we need to put boiling water, hot water cornbread. Do you know what we going with this? Do you know? Nah, yeah, we gotta boil some water. Oh, I need a pot.
Like SCD hot, you feel me?
What? Back in prison, back in my day, we used to.
You feel me?
Hey, bro,
it's Kool-Aid,
what you need I got, bro.
Go ahead, slide over,
what
bro.
you need I got, bro. I got it for the low, bro. Let me know. But nah, Frito, you can use some of this, but it might over season it.
Like Kool-Aid. Like back in prison.
I know your shit. That's
like
nasty.
Kool-Aid,
That's that, bro. That's nasty.
Like
that's not cool. Ew. What the? And we're black. Not all of it. All right, stop.
You know we built different.
Yeah.
You know we built. Come on.
Nigga, you an inmate, right?
That ass on it was hot.
All right. You want to put your seasoning in it? It might need some because you know the water. Not too much. Get that burrito shape. And then take the towel. Let me just roll it.
Alright, professional with y'all. Professional.
Feel me? Now watch this. Get that nice shape. Now get the knife and cut it down the middle. I was just playing. Whoa. We'll throw it away after this video. Cause the washing machine broke.
Oh.
We might wash this shit.
I about to sort that in some
Do you see me washing this? Your towel in the garbage.
Yeah,
Cause I'm throwing this away. No, bro, I'm throwing this away.
Sponsored by Target, you know what I'm saying?
Nigga, that's Walmart.
Same thing.
Yeah, I'm a pro. I do this. All right, stop. I already got cheese in it, so I don't want it too salty, you feel me? You gotta sing to your food, bro. That's how I come out that pressure.
Go ahead, say something for
I got you, bro. What song? Which song you trying to
It
hear?
don't matter, bro. Take us away, bro.
I got you, bro.
Cause I remember every time.
You know that shit?
I don't.
I feel like you and me. You feel me?
I don't feel
Heartbreak anniversary. Okay, stop playing. Since they love saying my name, make sure you write the truest on the motherfucking gang on my tomb. Wait, how that this go?
How'd it go?
They go, tombstone with that Harry by the river it will carry. Yeah.
It sound like
that, you feel me? Shout out to Philly Too Litty, you feel me?
Oh. I'm moonwalking on camera, bro. I'm moonwalking on camera, bro.
1, 2, them boys cracking. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bro, you got 10 more, come on. 11. That's it.
Yeah.
All right, bro. That's it then. I feel you. What you did? You did chest, right? Yeah. 5.
How many you can do?
I only can do 5, bro. Okay. Ooh. Was that 1?
That's it?
2. What you did? 11? I gotta make sure I do the number. 3. Count them out. 4.
I did more. I
5,
did about 15.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You said 15, right? 11.
You might well go to 20.
12. You said 20?
You might well go to 20, bro.
13, 14, 15. You said 15, right? Oh, 20, 16, 17, 18.
You might well go to 25.
19.
You might well go to 25. You done?
20. You said 25?
Yeah.
21, 22, 23, 24.
You might well go to 30.
Hold on,
You
relax.
might well go to 30, bro. You done?
Hold on. You said 30?
Yeah.
26, 27.
Come on, I can do that in my sleep. 29.
30.
You might well go to 35.
Nah, we good.
That.
I gotta make sure I get a little meat.
Eat mine all natural, bro.
Let me get that protein.
Well, you take a bitch school too. You got that.
Ready?
So,
3,
might be
2,
best.
1.
it's actually not that bad.
It's not bad.
You don't think it look kind of like that, but it's actually not that bad.
You know they need seasoning.
Bingo.
It's kind of hitting with the hot sauce now.
What is it? A little bit.
I'll give it a 7. I think the water like.
Well, I say without the hot sauce, it's like a 6, but with the hot sauce, it's a 7.
I think the water, they take the chip flavor out. But other than that, it's straight. Would I eat it again? Hell no. Appreciate it. Am I gonna eat the whole thing? Probably not.
No, I don't think I can eat the whole thing.
It's alright though. Well, that's one for the book. It's not pressure. Appreciate y'all for tuning into the video. Make sure y'all like,
comment,
and subscribe. It's not even pressure, bro, so what do we say?
This is OurWay.
Feel me, that something hitting, ain't it? Yeah. Nisha, I'll get you a new towel, bro.